வணக்கம். Authorized push payment fraud. It is called APP fraud in short. Authorized push payment fraud is a form of fraud in which victims are manipulated into making real-time payments to fraudsters, typically by social engineering attacks involving impersonation. These authorized frauds can also be related to investment scams where the victim is tricked into sending money for investments that don't exist, and romance scams where the fraudster tricks the victim into thinking they are in a relationship. Authorized push payment fraud is unfortunately gaining momentum in the UK, and scammers seem to be targeting the property industry heavily. APP fraud is a type of cybercrime where the fraudster tricks a paying party into making an authorized payment into an account which is controlled by the fraudster. In APP scams, victims believe that they are paying a known and legitimate payee, but they are tricked into making a push payments into a scammer's account. In APP scams, victims make a push payment, typically in return for promised goods or services to people they believe are legitimate, but who subsequently turn out to be scammers. The main difficulty with APP fraud is tracing the money. There are real problems in trying to establish whether the bank account the fraudster has access to belong to them or whether it is the compromised account of an innocent person. The reality is that cyber criminals are becoming more and more sophisticated and have used the COVID 19 pandemic as an opportunity. The Payment Systems Regulator, that is PSR, have required banks in the UK to implement a confirmation of payee direction. APP fraud is a relatively sophisticated deception, but it is extremely effective due to the way in which it is delivered. Fraudsters gain access to an individual's information, usually via a hacked email account, and then present themselves as a company with whom the hacked account owner is already doing business. They will monitor email threads between consumers and businesses to look for payment dates and details, then use the information they have gathered in order to ask for a transaction to be made at a time when the victim may expect a payment request to hit their inbox. The vast majority of victims are consumers, normally 88% according to UK Finance. At present, banks are under no obligation to refund any money lost to a scam. It is treated as the negligence of the victim. In India, the scammers are found operating, and many victims did not disclose that they are cheated. Be aware of authorized push payment fraud. Thank you.